Isaiah, you got a third hand? Are you biting on it hard?
Can you poop yet?
He's sucking on his big toe.
Did we do that?
Push yourself up. Push yourself up. Nope, there we go.
He's trying to push himself up.
Look,
but...
look.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Awesome. He's going to town. Oh.
Can he breathe? Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, he's...
You want help? You want help? You just have to push yourself up. You have to push yourself up.